Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Today in the series of daily current affairs series, today we will discuss about 30th April current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the current affairs. The first one, Home Ministry clears interstate movement of stranded people. Who are stranded people? Suppose one person went to work in Odisha, belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Due to lockdown up to May 3rd, he is unable to come back to Andhra Pradesh. That's why Minister of Home Affairs, after 1 month, Minister of Home Affairs issued guidelines to allow interstate movement of stranded migrant workers and tourists, pilgrims, students and others. For that, nodal authorities will register such persons and facilitate their travel. After coming back to their home states, should be in quarantine mandatory. For that, here is step taken by MHA, that is praised by Bihar Chief Minister. This is a right step towards migrant workers. We have to concentrate about migrant workers. Why? Because for them there is no shelter and there no food. For that we have to give more importance to the migrant workers. Next one, President under probe. In this today editorial explanation, I am taking a editorial on President under probe. Probe means investigation. Which president are under probe? He is Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro. Here, Bolsonaro faces a political setback as Brazil struggles with economic and health crisis. If you take any country like USA or India or Brazil or any developed or developing country, the most two important things are the first one, economy and health. If economy is good, that is a developed state. If health is also good or in a good stage, that is also known as good country. For that, here if you take the Brazil situation, both conditions are in worst condition. Why? Because of actions taken by the Brazilian President Bolsonaro. For that, top court in Brazil approved a 60-day probe into the president actions. What are the actions done by this Bolsonaro? He removed federal police chief and another two persons in his court. They went to top court. For that, top court approved a 60-day probe into the president's actions. Mr. Bolsonaro is not new to controversies from his incessant attacks on political rivals, activists, environmentalists and sexual minorities, on controversial handling of Amazon fires. Last year we have seen Amazon fires. For that he said a controversial statements on that. If you see the hundreds are dying are from COVID-19 and government appears to be clueless about its containments. If you take the situation of USA, India or China, they are giving some containment measures. But if you take the situation of Brazil, that government is clueless about its containment. If you see the economy of the Brazil's economy is expected to contract 5.3% this year. These are the situations in Brazilian. Why? Because if one country is on other side, we will think about that. If any situation comes to between livelihoods or lives, we have to take care of about lives only. Why? Because if lives only, there after that livelihood should be there. Next one, existing schemes providing support to farmers, said by Minister Tomar. Government's action sufficient to cope up with COVID-19 impact. Here the most important agenda of center's agenda of doubling farmers' income by 2022. He predicted that at least 0.5% GDP growth would come from agriculture alone only. What is GDP? Gross Domestic Product. For that, we have last week seen forecast of normal monsoon and reports of reservoirs having water level at 40 to 60%. Here we have to understand also the first one, farmers are getting higher mandi price for major commodities including wheat, mustard and staple vegetables. In this COVID-19, for our farmers, there is a situation is somewhat good stage only. in good stage only also we have to think about more about farmers. Why? Because there are no prices, minimum support prices are not there for farmers. Next one, AAI mulls limited flights with 30% capacity post lockdown. What is AAI? That is Airport Authority of India is looking at commencing limited domestic or international flight operations with 30% capacity post COVID-19 lockdown. Here, airport officials told to ensure that passengers should follow safety protocol like physical distancing and cleaning their hands with sanitizers. Here is a one standard operating procedure. What is standard operating procedure? It is a step-by-step procedure first to follow that, to task that one difficult situation into a easy one. That is a standard operating procedure. Here, that apart from these safety protocol, AAI said adequate number of doctors and paramedics should be available at airports to conduct screening of passengers both arriving and departing. Then only we will fight against this COVID-19. Otherwise, this may spread over country also. There may be cases increasing in that. Up to now, 32,000 cases are recorded at. Next one, UGC issues advisory for academic year. Universities and colleges can begin classes for second and third year students from August, for first year student after September 1st. These recommendations of panel headed by the Central University of Haryana. He is Vice Chancellor R.C. Kuhad. What is UGC? University Grants Commission. The UGC has emphasized that the guidelines are advisory, not mandatory in nature. Why? Because if corona cases are increasing in that particular stage and in particular situation or particular place, if you open universities or colleges, there may be increasing or there may be spread of that cases also. That's why this is only advisory purpose only. For that the UGC is giving, not mandatory in nature. Here UGC also Commission encouraged colleges and universities to equip their faculty with online teaching tools, develop virtual classrooms and virtual laboratory facilities. Then only we will, if COVID-19 is increasing or spread over throughout calendar year or up to December, we have to ready for that, to develop the virtual classrooms and virtual laboratories for our academic purpose. Then only we will fight against this COVID-19. Next one, I promise to make every state's national park. Today we will discuss about national parks in Tripura. That is first one, Clouded Leopard National Park, Rajbari National Park, Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary, Sefajila Wildlife Sanctuary, Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the important national parks in Tripura. Once again I will read. Why? Because very important. Clouded Leopard National Park, Rajbari National Park, Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary, Sefajila Wildlife Sanctuary, Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the important national parks in Tripura. Next one, I promise to make a previous paper analysis, that is UPSC Prelims 2019. In that I am taking question, that is Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. That is PNGRB is the first regulatory body set up by the Government of India. One of the tasks of the PNGRB is to ensure competitive markets for gas. Third one, appeals against the decisions PNGRB go before the appellate tribunals of electricity. Which of the following given above are correct? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and D 1, 2, 3 and are all of the above. Here we have to discuss about the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. This is established under Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board Act, that is under 2006. It is not the first one to regulate that one. The first one is SEBI, that is Forward Commission. Now it is amalgamated into SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India. For that, first one is wrong. Here, if you when you know about the first one is wrong, first we have to see the options by eliminating one, whether we can put the answer. In option A, 1 is there. Option C, 1 is there. Option D, 1 is there. By eliminating these options, by blindly we can put B is the answer. For our explanation, I am telling other two options also. One of the tasks of PNGRB is to ensure competitive markets for gas. Here PNGRB ensures our interests of companies related to natural gas and petroleum products. These are the competitive markets for gas. That PNGRB also ensuring that competitive between these markets. Against appeals against decisions of PNGRB go before appellate tribunals for Electricity Act 2003. That is under section of 110. We can go appeals against that decisions taken by PNGRB. If you see, we have seen that these two options are also correct one. The first one is wrong. For that we are making a B as an option for this question. With this we can conclude our video. Thank you very much.